सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ पेज 71 second chapter 99th sloka sadadvaitat pruthak bhute dvaite bhumyadirupini तत्तदर्थक्रियालोके यथा दृष्टा तथैव सा Vidyaranya completed Bhuta Brahma Viveka and Bhautika Brahmanda Viveka, discriminative knowledge between Panchabhutas and Brahman. Later he separated or distinguished that Bhautika Prapancha, gross universe, and Brahmanda, which consists of 14 lokas, Deva, Manushya, Shariras, 14 lokas, all Dehas, all he has separated from Atman. Having separated that, what is the phalam a person gets by this Viveka? Bhuta Brahma Viveka Jnanena Bhautika Brahmanda Loka Deha Viveka Jnanena Kim Phalam Bhavati iti. What we are going to get? The phalam he is talking. Before going to take the elaboration about phalam, he presents one important point. What is that point we have to note? In the first chapter, we saw from consciousness you have separated the anatma. From chit, you have separated the anatma, tvampada. Chit means tvampada vichara, we have done. Consciousness, nama rupa prapancha anatma is different. Here he is focusing more on Sat principle and Anatma Nama Rupa Prapancha. Sat means existence. So existence, Sad and Chit both are one and the same. Sat from worldly angle, easiness. Because Chit is not manifesting in the worldly inert objects. So, Sat only available here. Flower is, desk is, mic is, light is, house is. Easiness is available in Panchabhutas, inert Panchabhutas. Easiness is available, but Chit is not manifesting. So, to recognize Chit, you have to come to the individual only. Even though Chit is there here in inert objects, it is not manifesting because of lack of a subtle body. Because Sadeva Chit, Chideva Sat. Chit is not manifesting. Here Chit is manifesting. I am conscious of, I am conscious of. So this Chit, we have done Chit and Anatma separation. Consciousness separated from Anatma Namarupa. In this chapter, Sat separated from the Anatma, Bhuta, Bhautika, Prapancha. After getting this knowledge, for a Panchadashi student Jnani, okay, Panchadashi student Jnani, is there any change in his perception in the world now? He brings only the perspective change is only intellectual. After knowledge, perspective change comes only intellectual level, not external perception. Perspective change only at his personal, individual, intellectual level, not outer world. What it means? He established the ontological status of the world. Ontological means the study of the degree of reality. The study of the degree of reality is called ontology. ONTOLOGY. This Jnani studies the ontological status. What he does or she does, this world is lower order of reality. This world is lower order of reality, Anatma. I, the consciousness existent principle Sat, Chit, am of the higher order of reality. Higher order of reality. Therefore, the ontological status of the world is less real. The ontological status of my Chaitanya Swarupam is more Paramarthikam, higher order of reality. Therefore, Vishama Sattaka, Vishama Sattaka, not Samasattakam. Just as dream and waking world are not samasattakam. Dream objects are unreal than waking world. So Vishamasattakam. Now this flower and mic or flower, another flower or any object have samasattakam. Same order of reality. Whatever you are seeing now. But what you have seen in the dream yesterday night and what you are seeing now, are they have the same order of reality? No. They are different order of reality. Similarly, this waking world and Atma Chaitanyam are different order of reality. Just as your waking world and dream objects have different order of reality, the consciousness existent principle, which is my real nature, and the body-mind complex and the world have different order of reality. The ontological status is entirely different. This is the right vision, perception, perspective change. Okay, this status degree of reality has changed. Is there any difference in his grasping objects? Vidyaranya says no change in his looking at the object. Yatha tatham. Mango, sweet is as it is. And pavakai, bitterness as it is. I am a Jnani, therefore for me pavakai is looking and taste is so sweet. It won't change like that. So, people, as it is, he says, experiences are all arthakriya, that's what he said. Arthakriya loke yatha drishta tatha eva. When sadadvaitat prathakrite, when you sat advaitam, you separate from Prathakrite Dvaite Bhumyadi Rupini. From this Bhumi, Panchabhutas, etc., Nama, Rupa, Lokas, Dehas, everything you separate. After that also, Arthakriya means what I said, experiential difference. His experiences are same, functional difference, The divisions are same. Divisions continues and functions are also continues as it is. Functions of any object, any person, before knowledge, what are all functions taking place? After knowledge also, same functions of that people, that objects, and that himself, he person also. He will eat with hand only, after gnanam also. நான் ஞானி என்ன வாயை திறந்தேன்னு இந்த கட்டோத்கஜர் மாயா பஜாரில் மாதிரி ஆன்னு தெரிஞ்ச உள்ளே போயிடுமா என்ன, அப்படியெல்லாம் போகாது. He will eat with hand only. Function is as it is. The taste is also before knowledge, after knowledge, same. Thank God. அப்போ இது சேஞ்ச் பண்ண என்ன கஷ்டம். பாவம் ஞானிஸ் ஒய்ஃபு ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ fortunately no change in that as usual experience. Can it disturb the person? Now these experiences, anubhava and kriya, that is same, no change. Divisions are also change. Male, female, wife, husband division also same continues. I am a gnani, for me everyone is same ani sollakudadu. That is called division. Divisions are also maintained. Different experiences are maintained. And different functions are also maintained. Then what? Then what? Even though they are maintaining their own difference, divisions, they cannot disturb this jnani. Why? Because they are mithya. They are mithya. Just as when we were very young, we do not know the sunrise is not there. After growing up only, now also it is doubtful, many people do not know. There is no sunrise. It appears as though sunrise. Oh, in this side. Okay, eastern side, sunrise appears. Later after study, we understand there is no sunrise really. After this knowledge, sunrise experience continues or not? It will continue. This is one example. The earth is flat. It is our experience, anubhava. What is the knowledge? Earth is round. Earth is round. But our experience is, it is flat. So after knowledge it is flat, it is round, also I am experiencing the flat earth or not? Same. So your knowledge will not change your experience. That's what point you have to understand. Similarly, earth is stationary, is our anubhava. Earth is stationary. What is the fact? Knowledge is what? Earth is moving. After knowing that earth is moving, are you feeling that movement? No. No movement. You are as it is. What was your experience continues. Earth is not moving, feeling only is there. But the fact is what? Earth is moving. Similarly, take the stars. And the light, 1,000 light years takes place. One star brightness to come to the earth, it takes the 1,000 years. Once the star gives light, that light to reach the earth, I am not a science student. I heard from Swamiji, I am telling. Okay, the light starts from the star and comes to the earth. To touch the earth, 1,000 years it takes. It is known as 1,000 light years. They call it as 1,000 light years. Now, just a fun, okay. Light has started from the star. Now this person, okay, after 5,000 years it has already traveled. 500 years already traveled. And in 500 it has to come. Suppose the person dies. The star which is traveling already 500 light years, it has to travel 500 more years it has to come. By that time, in the all out. Okay. When he was there, it was already started. By that it is reaching, you already gone. See, the time difference, time paradigm is so different. Other planets also like that only. So many planets have their different time paradigm. Your dream time paradigm is different from the waking time. That's why these are all relative. These are all relative standpoints only. Therefore, what you have to understand now, even the world, now come to our Vyavahara. My mother-in-law disturbs me, that continues, but it cannot touch me, the Atman, because that is mithya. How mithya problems can disturb me? They continue as it is. Other problems after knowledge also, problems continue as they are. Experiences continue. Your body also won't change. And the genes appadida. Ade genes, whatever you have, mind capacity, intellectual capacity continues. You are not going to change after studying Panchadasi fully. I will become more highly intelligent now. Appadi onnu ahadu. You understand, you do not know more. Padika எனக்கு நன்னா தெரியாதுன்னு தெரியும். You understand your intellectual limitation, you understand your mind problems, you understand your body problems very much. And you look at them as by neighborizing them, you see them, look at them, no problem. This is the phalam. Okay. Poduma in the phalam? Idu vida enna venum? That is why I gave that example last time, dog and cat. Cat knows that dog, frowning world, is tied by the mithya unreality. The unreal world, dog, when I went to house, one place, the dog is frowning, barking so loudly, Alsatian dog. It is tied, of course. I thought it is nearby. That much loudly it is shouting, as though it is coming chasing me. Then I understood it might be tied there, no problem. Adi madri whole world dog, Alsatian dog is frowning. It is tied by what? Mithyatvam. Can it afflicts me? No. Therefore I can have always gloomy face or not? So my gloomy face வைக்கலன்னா கூட ஃபேஸுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கலாம், பாடி ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும்போது கொஞ்சம் தலைவலி இருக்கும்போது மைனஸ் மூஞ்சி ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும், இருந்தாலும் கூட இட் வில் நாட் டச் மீ. These are only Maya, Mithya, Anatma. This is the greatest benefit a Jnani gets after knowledge. Life is wonderful. Next sloka we will read. सांख्यकाणादबौद्धाद्यैः काणादबौद्धाद्यैः जगद्भेदो यथा यथा उत्प्रेक्षतेनेकयुक्त्या भवत्येष तथा तथा. Now he is entering into a different topic. The divisions part he is taking. What are all divisions are there in this world? Divisions continue, we said. What are those divisions? He enumerates those divisions here. Different philosophers consider this universe consisting of different principles. Different philosophers consider or establish this universe with different principles. Means what? According to them, this universe is consisting of different components, factors. are principles, tattvani. Sample he gives a few philosophers here, Sankhya, Kanada, Bauddha, etc., etc. Just I'll enumerate what are they. First one, he gives Sankhya here. Sankhya philosopher Kapila Muni says this world or universe is nothing but a mixture of 25 tattvams, 25 principles. What are those 25 principles? He says in Sankhya Karika, first shloka that it begins with, first or somewhere it comes, what are the 25 principles? That shloka runs like this. Moolah prakriti ravikritihi mahadadyaha prakriti vikritaya sapta shodashakastu vikritayaha na prakritihi na vikritihi purushaha. In 13th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, we saw what are all that 25 principles. If you remember, fortunately, 13th chapter, care of. When Prakriti topic comes, Purusha Prakriti Viveka, so Sankhya principles are introduced there. What are the Moola Prakriti, Vikriti, all these things he has enumerated. Just you note this Brahma Sutra we are going to see elaborately in other class. Okay. Next is Vaisheshika philosopher says, Vaisheshika philosopher says there are, he divides the Sapta Padarthaha. Sapta Padarthaha. That also he gives a shloka, Dravya Gunas Tatha Karma Samanyam Sadviseshakam Samavayas Tadha Bhavaha Padarthas Sapta Kirtitaha. There are 7 padarthas in this world. World is nothing but 7 padarthas. Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya, Savishesha, Samavaya, Abhava. All these are only is world. Who says? Vaisheshika philosopher says. Then Kanada, Nyaya philosopher says, Kanada Muni, 16 principles, categories in artham. 16 categories. World is classified into 16 categories. 25 categories, 7 categories, another philosopher says 16 categories. Then this Kanada Maharshi, why he has got Kanada, a very interesting story. Kanada is a rishi, a muni, very poor Brahmin, no time to earn money to eat. No time to earn money to eat, to get food. Why no time? Always studying Shastra. Always studying Shastra. No, he forgets breakfast, he forgets lunch, he forgets dinner. He goes to that fields, where these people sell those grains, and market. There he goes, where the paddy they sell to other people. When they are measuring, some grains will fall on the floor. What he does, that grains he collects. He collects that grains and pound at home and he eats that. So free of cost, he need not pay money. So he need not earn money to buy. He goes there and gets that rice and he eats that. Kanam means grains of that rice grains. Atti. Atti means the one who eats. Therefore he is known as Kanadaha. Such a great philosophers all were. நமக்கு காலையில் மத்தியானம் நைட்டு 3 வேளை சாப்பிட்டேன்னா அதுக்கு தான் தூக்கம் வரும். நமக்கு வேதாந்தம் என்ட்ரு ஆகாது, தூக்கம்தான் வரும் நமக்கு. ஸோ பீப்புள் see how much they have dedicated their life for Shastra. They have sacrificed every pleasure. நமக்கு ஃபேனு கொஞ்சம் கம்மி நம்பர் இருந்தாலும் இப்படி மேலே எட்டி பார்ப்போம். Because we are only body oriented, mind oriented, external world oriented. Intelligence is born, everything is same, but we are extroverted. We are very, very materialistic. Because of that materialism, mind, intellect is very, very, very blunt. Very, very blunt. Once you reduce that importance to the body, dress, food, so much house, all these things, if you reduce comforts, you get a lot of time to think. Your mind, intellect will become so sharp. So sharp. Why person takes sannyasa, and you understand now, he need not think much. He less thinking about these things, basic needs. அதே ஃபேமிலி, சில்ட்ரன், சம்பந்திஸ் ஆர் தேர்ன்னா இது வேஷம் போட்டுக்க வேண்டியது ஆயிடுச்சு இப்போ. ஸோ தேட் இஸ் என் அட்வான்டேஜ். கணாதஹான்னா சச் எ கிரேட் பர்சன். இட் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள் ஃபார் எவ்ரி ஒன். யூ ரிக்வயர் எ ட்ரெமெண்டஸ் தபஸ். Bhamati is like that only. Another great acharya who wrote commentary on Brahma Sutra, Bhamati, he never saw his wife also. He had got married. Afterwards, when she came one day, she is keeping water. She saw one old lady coming with white hair keeping water there. Who are you? He asked. She said, I am your wife. Oh, அப்படி சொன்னானா? That lady serving to him. This man is studying Shastra. She never asked for any comforts or anything. She left him for his sake. Whatever, let him do. Mine is only service. Like that, many women, they have served. That gents also deserved for that those days. Okay. Okay, stories enough. Now come to next, fourth one. Yoga philosopher says 26 principles. Sankhya philosopher says only 25. Sankhya philosophers doesn't accept Ishvara. For him, no Ishvara. Whereas yoga philosopher accept Ishvara also along with 25 principles. Sankhya philosopher principles only he says, but he includes Ishvara extra. So 26 principles. All these we saw in Mandukya Karikas, if you remember. Then Shaiva philosophers, they say there are 31 principles in this universe. Universe is nothing but 31 principles. Then Vishishtadvaiti come and says Tritayam, 3 principles. Chit, Achit, Vishnuhu. Chit, Achit, Vishnuhu. Tritayam, Jagat. Then Bauddha philosopher comes and says there are 4 principles. There are 4 principles. What are those 4 principles also? We saw in Mandukya Karika and Vaibhashika, Kshanikavada, Shunyavada, Vaibhashikavada, Kshanikavada, Shunyavada, Yogavada, Yogachara. So 4 categories of Buddhism. And you can include Jainism, Charvaka, so many other people also. Advaiti finally, he also says world is nothing but 2 principles. World is nothing but consists of 2 principles. Satyam, Mithya. Satyam Brahma, Mithya Jagat. That is why when we say Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya, Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya, Mahavakya is not completed. That line there is no Mahavakya at all. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya na Tatpada Vichara over. Brahma, Bhagavan is real. World is unreal. This is only what Tatpada Vichara. But where is Mahavakya na? Jivo Brahmaiva na Parahana. ஜீவஹா த்வம்பத பிரம்ம ஏவ தத்பத ந அபரஹா அசி. த்வம் தத் அசி, தத் த்வம் அசி, ந அபரஹா மீன்ஸ் யூ ஆர் நாட் டிஃபரெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் ந அபரஹா. ब्रह्म सत्यम जगन मिथ्या जीवो ब्रह्मैव नापरः न whole महावाक्य. So Jnani understands this. Whatever principles, let them talk. Why he says all these principles he introduced here? Let them talk many differences. Too many arguments are an exchange of mutual ignorance. Somebody said, mutual arguments, too many arguments are an exchange of ignorance. அதே மாதிரி இந்த சாங்கியா யோகா நியாயா வைசேஷிகா இன்னும் டூ மெனி ஆர்குமெண்ட்ஸ். நீ 16 சொல்லி நான் 26 சொல்கிறேன், நீ 26 சொன்னா 31 சொல்கிறேன்னா. So too many arguments they are doing. The too many arguments are an exchange of mutual ignorance. உனக்கு ignorance இருக்கு, எனக்கு ignorance இருக்கு. ஃபைனலி அத்வைத் என்ன சொல்லுவ, பரஸ்பரம் விருத்தியந்தே தைரயம் ந விருத்தியதே. கௌடபாதாச்சாரியா says பரஸ்பரம் விருத்தியந்தே. There are 26, there are 31, 7. No. அதை விட இன்னும் சட்டில் டிஃபரன்சஸ். Dravyam again they separate 9 padarthas. That philosopher, he says, Nyaya philosopher, Vaiseshika philosopher says Sapta padarthaha. Nyaya philosopher differentiate again so many differences. Ella enna Atma kuda andro pottitavanu. This Atma also he put in a padartha. Atma is also another padartha for them. So he says, look into the shloka. Sankhya, Kanada, Bauddhadyaihi. Adyaihi means all other. Dyaihi, Jagat Bhedaha Yatha Yatha. Let them be there. Yatha Yatha. All of them, let them continue their systems of philosophies. Namakenna. We are not going to dismantle them. We are not going to refute them. All are what standpoint? Ontological status is what? Mithya. Ontological status of all these systems of philosophies are mithya. Now, in the world is only 2 categories. Satyam, mithya. Brahma, satyam. What are all these system principles and comes under mithya? Mithya irundu pogattume, vyavaharikama irundu pogattume, yatha yatha. Next line he says, utprekshyate aneka yuktya. They are all theorized by many people, great acharyas. They are all munis. Patanjali Maharshi. They are all great Maharshis. Utprekshate, they are envisaged, theorized. They have established, postulated. Utprekshate, aneka yuktya, by logic. They have established by logic. Yuktya, utprekshate, anekaha. Bhavatu yesha tadha tadha. Let them be there. Namakedukku sanda. Illiya? If I fight with them, I am giving reality to them and artham. But நான் என்ன சொல்லுவேன், இருந்து போகட்டுமே, என்ன இருக்கட்டுமே. பாடி இருக்கா இல்லையா, ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் பாடி இருக்கா இல்லையா, இருந்து போகட்டுமே. அது பாட்டுக்கு அது இருக்கும். It pass on. Later it is mithya, it goes. Similarly, all systems of philosophies are all mithya. Therefore we never argue. Tairayam na virudhyate. We never argue with them. Who argue? Too many arguments are what? Are in exchange of their ignorance. They are only ignorance they are showing. Therefore what we do? And the boxing நாம் பார்த்துன்னு இருக்கோம். They are boxing, no each other. நம்ம பார்த்துன்னு இருக்கோம். வந்து கிளாப் அடிச்சுன்னு இருக்கோம். எல்லாம் மித்யாப்பா. Ontologically the status taken out. Who we are na? Satyam, Brahma. That's why Advaita is very, 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 very powerful. Okay? Such a knowledge we are getting here. பாபம் விசிஷ்ட அத்வைத்தம் தானே சுவாமினி, நம்ம அத்வைத்தம் அவன் விசிஷ்ட அத்வைத்தம்னா. அங்கே போய் பொங்கல் சாப்பிடு வேண்டான்னு சொல்லலை. மார்கழி மாதம் நல்லா போய் வைகுண்ட பதவாசல் பண்ணு, எல்லாம் மித்யாதா. இன்னும் ஆச்சாரிய ஒருத்தர் சொன்னார், இன்னும் என்ன, இந்த அவதாரம் ஆல்சோ பிராதிபாசிகம்னு சொல்லிட்டார் ஒரு ஆச்சாரியர். ஐ திங்க் ராமராய கவி. He says even God avatars are also like swapnama. நம்ம கொஞ்சம் வியாபகாரிகான்னு சொல்கிறோம், அவர் என்ன சொல்கிறாருன்னா பிராதிபாசிகானே சொல்கிறார். அவர் ரொம்ப அட்வான்ஸ்டு. அவர் பக்கா விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தியாக இருந்து அப்புறம் அத்வைத்தி ஆகிட்டார் அவர். ஸோ லெட் தெம் பி தேர். வி நெவர் ஆர்கியூ வித் த பீப்புள். டோன்ட் கோ அண்ட் ஆர்கியூ. ஓகே, டோன்ட் ஆர்கியூ வித் எனிபடி. லெட் தெம் பி தேர். எதுக்கு ஆர்கியூ பண்ணணும்? When you give reality to them only, you have to argue. Once you understand them, they are mithya. Is it necessary to argue? No, not necessary. If you are arguing means what? You are also joining in that group. What? Too many arguments is nothing but exchange of mutual ignorance. You want to accept your ignorance? Therefore, Advaiti, just to watch. He never argued. Next shloka. Avajñātam sadadvaitam nishankairanyavadibhihi evam kakshatirasmakam tadadvaitamavajanatam tadvaitam, we can say tadvaitamavajanatam. Tad, that half dakara only, there is a stroke down below. Tadvaitam, tadu dvaitam. Now, this is just a simple shloka. He says, these Dvaita people, dualists, Visishtadvaita and Dvaita, duality, they are talking God is different, I am different, He is real, Vaikuntha is real, Kailasa is real, Bhakta is real, Upasaka is real. All these are real, they are talking. What they blame these Advaitis? These Advaitis are not at all accepting Dvaitam. They are just ignoring Dvaitam. So much blunder they are doing and they are blaming Advaitini. Appa Vidyaranya says, you are telling me I am ignoring your Dvaitam. What you are doing? அப்பப்போ சண்டை போடுவார் இவர் வித்யாரண்ய மத்தியில். நான் துவைத்தமே கண்டிக்கிறது இல்லை, துவைத்தம் கிரிட்டிசைஸ் பண்ணுறேன், விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம் துவைத்தம் எல்லாமே கிரிட்டிசைஸ் பண்ணுறேன் நீ சொல்கிறியே, நீ மாத்திரம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு? யூ ஆர் ஆல்சோ இக்னோரிங் மை அத்வைத்தம். நோ, யூ ஆர் ஆல்சோ இக்னோரிங் மை அத்வைத்தம். ஹூ சேஸ்? வித்யாரண்ய. If I ignore your Dvaitam, no problem. But if you ignore my Advaitam, Mahati Vinashtihi. If you ignore my Advaitam, Advaitam means what? Brahma Satyam. Jagat Mithya, Ishvara also Vyavaharikam. If you miss this, you are missing a lot. I am not going to get any harm. Isn't it? But you are missing the moksha. Purushartha. That's what he says here. Look into the shloka. Sadadvaitam avajñātam nishankaihi anyavadhibihi. They say anyavadhibihi means here, if they complain Advaiti, ignoring Dvaitam, Advaitam avajñātam, once you understand Advaitam, nishankaihi, without any doubt, firmly అని అర్థం. నిశ్శంకైః అన్యవాదిభిః. అన్యవాదిభిః means those who are talking about duality. Duality they are talking. Anyavadi means Advaita Anyavadi. Advaita Anyavadi who na Dvaiti, Vishishtadvaiti. Anyavadi bihi means by those other philosophers. If I given Karnada, Vaiseshika, Nyaya, Shaiva, Vishishtadvaita, Dvaita, all philosophers Nishankaihi firmly Sadadvaitam avagnatam. They have not understood, they have ignored. Na gnatam avagnatam means not knowing. Avagnatam. Anyavadibhi firmly Advaita is ignored by Dvaitins. Avagnata means not known, ignored. What? Sadadvaitam, real Advaitam. Advaitam which is the reality. Sat means real. Advaita means non-dual. Brahman. Non-duality. Avagnatam. Eppadi? Nishankaihi. Nishankaihi enna confounded anamata. And the ignorance lane avanga they are confounded. I am only right. Vishishtadvaiti only right. That's why some students, they come to Vedanta class also. காலங்காத்தால் அங்கே விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம் அந்த ஒரு லெக்சர் வரும். அது கேட்காமல அவங்களுக்கு தூக்கமே வராது. 30 வருஷமாக கிளாஸ் கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பான். ஆனாலும் அவர் சொற்படுவா அந்த டிஸ்கோர்ஸு அது கேட்ட பீப்புளுக்கு ஒரு ஆனந்தம். ஏன்னா சாமி வேறே நான் வேறே சொன்ன ஒரு ஆனந்தம். நானே சுவாமின்னு சொன்னால் எப்படின்னா இங்கே உட்காருவா வேதாந்தம் கிளாஸில். இங்கே சொல்லலை, வேறே இடத்துல சொல்லலை. They sit and listen Advaita, but they listen to Visishta Advaita again. They say, very nice, ரொம்ப நன்னா சொன்னாரா. ரொம்ப நன்னா சொன்னாரன்னா மூளை எங்கே இருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம். With understanding, if you understand, you don't listen first of all. You don't like to listen. No, not necessary. That is for different people, not for you. That is not for you. That means what? You are listening, you are showing interest in them, and you are praising that talk also, and you are telling to others means what? Nunakku Advaitamu puriyala, Vishishtadvaitamu puriyala nu artham. Idhiyum puriyala. Paravala edu varatum. Konja naalukku edo punya phalapakam vandudum adukapram. So not so easy. Advaitam puriyaradu not so easy. அதுக்கு புண்ணிய ஜன்மன புண்ணியம் இருக்கணும்னார். அப்போ சொன்ன சுவாமி அவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் புண்ணியம் இல்லையான்னா, தே ஹாவ் புண்ணியம் டு கம் டு தட் விசிஷ்டாத்வைத பூஜா பக்தி. அந்த அளவுக்கு புண்ணியம் இருக்கு. அதையும் புண்ணியந்தான், அதையும் புண்ணியந்தான். புண்ணியமே இல்லைன்னா பகவான் பற்றி, ஆழ்வார் பற்றி, ஆண்டாள் பற்றி எப்படி பேச முடியும்? இட் இஸ் எ கிரேட் புண்ணியா. பட் அத்வைத்தம் இஸ் மச் மோர் புண்ணியா. If you talk about Shiva, it is a punyam only. Vishishtadvaitam, tremendous punya. இல்லைன்னு சொல்லவே இல்லை. நம்ம புண்ணியமே இல்லைன்னா பகவான் பற்றியே பேச மாட்டான். எவ்வளோ புண்ணிய ஜென்மன புண்ணியம் இருந்தால் தான் பேச முடியும். ஆனால் அத்வைத்தம் பற்றி புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 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 சொல்லினே இருக்கலாம். புண்ணியம் பண்ணியிருக்கணும் அது புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு. அது ஒரு தனி இனிமை. என்ன தனிமையே இனிமை. Non-duality. Okay. Next line he says, when they are firmly established in Dvaitam, ignoring Advaitam, Sadadvaitam avagnatam, evam, like that, in the same manner, when we are not knowing Dvaitam, kakshatihi asmakam, what harm we are creating? Kakshatihi asmakam. Vidyaranya says, what is harm to us? When they are firmly established in Dvaita philosophy, not knowing Advaitam, and we are ignoring Dvaita philosophy. Visishtadvaitam. Kakshatihi, what harm for us? What we are going to lose? Nothing. Tat Advaitam avajanatam asmakam. Whom we are? Tat Advaitam avajanatam. We have understood that Advaitam Brahma avajanatam means understood. The people who understood this Advaitam like us, not by ignoring that Dvaitam, what is harm for us? Advaitam avajanatam, tad Advaitam avajanatam, that Advaita known by us, and Dvaitam is ignored by us. What is harm? Kakshatihi is questioning. Enna idhula podi irukka theriyumo? Podi theriyumo solren. If I invoke, I give reality to my wifehood, husbandhood, motherhood, I can never claim I am Brahman. Clear? If I give reality to my wifehood, I am wife, I am husband, I am householder. That reality, as long as you give, I am a Tamilian, I am a Brahmin, I am an Indian, I am an Asian. Idhik reality kudutunde irundunno, that means you are away from Brahman. Because you can never claim Brahman. Suppose you claim Brahman, I am Brahman, aham Brahma asmi, you can never claim you are housewife, husband. You play the role, but you never give reality to that. இது இருந்தா அது வராது, அது இருந்தா இது இருக்காது. ஏதோ ஒண்ணுதான் இருக்க முடியும். சத்தியம் இருந்தா மித்யா இருக்க முடியாது, மித்யா இருந்தா சத்தியம் இருக்க முடியாது. ரெண்டு இருக்குமே சுவாமி அண்ணா. ஆபாசம், இட் இஸ் ஆபாசம். இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும் ஞானிக்கு, ஆனாலும் சத்தியமா இல்லை. That is the loss, great loss for them. Mithya, Satyam, if you understand, it is fine. Therefore, darkness and light cannot coexist. Jnanam, Ajnanam cannot coexist. Avidya has to be destroyed by Vidya. Where knowledge is, ignorance can exist. Where ignorance is, Ajnana illen artha. புரியுறதோ? ஆத்ம ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன? இக்னரன்ஸும் எனக்குள்ளதான் இருக்கு, ஞானமும் எனக்குள்ளதான் இருக்குது. ரிலேட்டிவ் நாலேஜ். Flower knowledge, flower ignorance are both are illumined by whom? By me, the Sakshi Chaitanyam. அது highest knowledge. புரியுறதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். புரிஞ்சா சரி. So great, wonderful knowledge. This is what loss for us if I miss. People say, even Advaita, பெரிய philosophy பேசுகிறான். நமக்கு என்ன இங்கே பூஜை தேங்காய் வடப்பம் மார்கழி மாதம் ஒன்றுமே இல்லையே காணுமே, என்ன கொஞ்சம் பூஜாவது பண்ணக்கூடாதோ நினைப்பான். சுண்டல் கூட கொடுக்க மாட்டார் சுவாமின்னு ஒரு வாட்டி கூட. துவைத்தம் அத்வைதாதபி சுந்தரம்னு சொல்லுவான். சுந்தரந்தான். பிராக்போதாய துவைத்தம் மோகம் ஜனயதி. ஞானம் வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி துவைத்தம், பகவான் வேறே நான் வேறேங்கிறது, இட் கிரியேட்ஸ் ட்ரெமெண்டஸ் ஃபியர், சென்டிமெண்ட்ஸ், லாட் ஆஃப் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். பகவான் அண்ணாலே பயம் பயம் பயப்படுறான். பிராக்போதாய துவைத்தம் மோகாய போதே உத்போதேனாரு. ஞானம் வரத்த என்னாகும்? துவைத்தம் அத்வைதாதபி சுந்தரம். ஏன்னா நல்ல பிரசாதம் கிடைக்கும், ஸ்வீட்டாக அந்த ஸ்மெல்லு, சாண்டல்வுட் ஸ்மெல் எல்லாம் நல்லா தூப்பம் கீப்பம் எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கும். ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு ஆனந்தம். அது ஞானம் வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி பயம், பகவான் பேர் சொன்னாலே பயம். பார்த்தீங்க? தேர்ஃபோர் ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் பூஜை கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம், பண்ண தட் இஸ் பியூட்டிஃபுல். உனக்கு டேஞ்சர் என்ன? துவைத்துக்கு. அத்வைத்தம் இஃப் யூ இக்னோர், யூ ஆர் இன் ட்ரபிள். இஃப் ஐ ஆம் அத்வைத்தி, இஃப் ஐ இக்னோர் துவைத்தம் ஆல்சோ நோ ப்ராப்ளம், இஃப் ஐ டேக் துவைத்தம் ஆல்சோ நோ ப்ராப்ளம் ஃபார் மீ. ஃபார் யூ இட் இஸ் நாட் லைக் தட். That's why Advaita is the most courageous person in the world. Advaita Jnani alone courageous person. No one here courageous person. He brings Ishvara down. Down and enge. Hriddeshe tishthatina. Aham Ishvaraha. See, what a greatness. Not so easy, Amma, not so easy. என்ன அம்மான்னு சொல்கிறேன் சுவாமி, நாங்களெல்லாம் என்னன்னு கேட்காங்க. Everyone, I am telling, all the students I am addressing, it's not so easy unless you have tremendous Ishvara Kripa, Guru Kripa, Shastra Kripa. Advaita Jnanam will not enter. புரியுறதா? அது நீங்கள் புரிஞ்சுட்டான்னா அதனுடைய பெருமை தான் அப்போ தான் தெரியும். ஓகே, நான் சொல்லிகிட்டே இருப்பேன் எவ்வளோ பெருமை பெருமைன்னு. உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சாதான் அந்த பெருமை உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட். துவைதவக்ஞா சுஸ்திதா சேத். சரி, துவைதாவக்ஞா சுஸ்திதா சேத் அத்வைதேதி ஸ்திரா பவேத். ஸ்தைர்யம் தஸ்யா புமானேஷ ஜீவன் முக்த இதீர்யதே. துவைத அவக்ஞாஹ சுஸ்திதா சேத் அத்வைதே தீஸ்திரா பவேத். Dvaita avagna. We are all what? Dvaita avagnaha. We are all ignorant of Dvaita philosophy. We are not voting for Dvaita philosophy. Dvaita avagnaha, ignorant of Dvaita philosophy means what? Don't take literally. We have made Dvaitam as mithya. That is the meaning here. Dvaita avagna means putting Dvaitam in its own place. That is lower order of reality. This is called avagnaha. Not giving reality to Dvaitam is called Dvaita avagnaha. Giving its own place. Dvaitam, wonderful, is a sadhana. It is a sadhana. Karma kanda, upasana kanda. We ourselves accept. But we put it in its own place. We never allow it to enter more than that. Therefore, susthitaha, ingrained. Ingrained means firmly. Shravana manana nididhyasanam. நிறைய நாள் சவரம் பண்ணி மனனம் பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் லாங் டைம் நிதித்தியாசனம் பண்ணி, இந்த 6th chapter பகவான் சொன்னார் இல்லையோ, லாங் டைம் நிதித்தியாசனம் பண்ணுங்க என்ன வரும்? துவைத அவக்ஞாதா அத்வைத்தே சுஸ்திதாக. துவைத்தம் கூட சுஸ்திதமாக தெரியணும். வை ராங் இஸ் ராங் ஆல்சோ யூ மஸ்ட் பி கிளியர். வை ராங் இஸ் ராங், why wrong is not right, why right is right, why right is not wrong, that also you should know. புரியுறதா? Why wrong is wrong, why wrong is not right, why right is right, why right is not wrong. இந்த 4 விஷயம் தெரியணும். அதுதான் துவைத அவக்ஞாஹ சுஸ்திதாஹ சேத். Just as you got the Advaita Jnanam firmly, that much you must have firm knowledge in Dvaita also. It is Mithya. Mithya and firm knowledge varanam Dvaitanla kuda. எனக்கு அத்வைத்தம் நல்லா புரியுறது சுவாமினி, துவைத்தம் தான் புரியலன்னா. அத்வைத்தம் புரிஞ்சுதுன்னா துவைத்தமும் புரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். ஏன்னா துவைத்தம் மித்யான்னு புரியணும், அப்போதான் அத்வைத்தம் சத்தியம்னு புரியும். இது என்ன பாருங்க, எனக்கு அத்வைத்தம் நல்லா புரியுறது சுவாமினி, துவைத்தம் தான் எனக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குது. எதுக்கு புரியணும்? துவைத்தம் மித்யான்னு தெரிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன புரியும்? அத்வைதம் சத்தியம்னு புரியும். அத்வைதம் சத்தியம்னு புரிஞ்சா என்ன அர்த்தம்? துவைத்தம் மித்யான்னு புரிஞ்சதுன்னு அர்த்தம். இப்போ இவனுக்கு என்ன கம்ப்ளைண்ட்டு? எனக்கு அத்வைத்தம் நல்லா புரியுறது சுவாமி, நீங்கள் சொன்னதில்ல, அங்கே துவைத்தம் விசிஷ்டாத்வைத்தம் சொல்கிறானே அது புரியலன்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா இதே புரியல அதே புரியலன்னு அர்த்தம். Once you understand Advaitam, you are displacing that Dvaitam. That's all. There is no second thought in this. That's what it is the meaning. Dvaita avagnata. Dvaita avagna susthita chet. That is called firmly you establish in the unreality of the Dvaitam. Duality, Nama, Rupa, Prapancha. Nirvisesham, Brahma plus Nama, Rupa. Nirvisesha, Sat plus Nama, Rupa is Jagat. Nirvisesham, Chit plus Nama, Rupa is Jiva. Therefore, what is Satyam? Nirvisesham Sat Chit alone is Satyam. Nama Rupa at worldly level, individual level, Mithya. That is the meaning here. You have to understand. Nirvisesham Chit is plus Nama Rupa is called Pramata. Nirvishesham Sat plus Nama Rupa is called Prameyam. Nirvisesham, it is very technical term. Nirvisesham Sat, pure existence plus Nama Rupa is Prameyam, objective world. Nirvishesham Chit plus Nama Rupa is Pramata, the knower. The knower operating and Pramanam to know the Prameyam. The knower, who is the knower? Nirvisesham Chit plus Namarupa is Pramata, Ahankara. I the Chit am with Ahankara, Namarupa, body mind complex, I am Pramata, knower. Knower of what? Knower of this flower. Knower of this flower. What is this flower? Flower is Nirvisesham Sat plus flower Namarupa. It is called Prameyam. The Pramata is the knower of Prameyam. Pramata content is what? Chit plus Namarupa. Pramata. Prameyam content is what? Sat plus Namarupa. So Prameyam, Pramata. Pramanam is operated. Pramanam, knower, knowing. Pramanam. Eyes. Pramanam. So every pramanam is required. Pramanam proves the existence of pramata and prameyam. Pramata and prameyam, subject pramata, prameyam object can interact when there is pramanam. Shat pramanani. Pratyaksha, anumana, upamana, arthapati, shabda, finally, shabda pramanam comes to negate all pramanams. Shastra pramanam is also a pramanam. Pramanam comes what? To give pramata prameya knowledge. Eyes come to give the knowledge of I know the flower. Knowledge. Pramata gets the knowledge of the prameyam by using eyes. Pramata gets the knowledge of sound using that he hears, get the knowledge of sound. Like that, every pramanam we are using to get knowledge. Shastra pramanam doing what? Shastra pramanam giving which pramata prameya knowledge. Shastra pramanam has come to negate all pramanams plus subject object. Shastra pramana comes to negate all the previous pramanams. Shastra pramana comes to negate pramata and all prameyams. But Shastra pramana, it disappears. It does its job and goes silently. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Nasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.